Hey, y'all, this is Siddharth, and I'm gonna be showing you guys arithmetic FOIL. So this is basically, you guys know what FOIL is, right? That's first. That stands for first, outside, inside, last. That's what you use when you're solving for quadratic equations. But arithmetic FOIL, we use this to multiply large numbers in our heads. That may sound like it may sound difficult, but this is a trick that's honestly really useful. Like whenever you don't got a calculator on you, like you're outside or something, you need to calculate an area quickly. This comes in use. So basically, the steps are right here. Why don't I go through a practice problem quickly? Like just show you guys how I do it. Show you guys the speed actually of how fast it is. Honestly. It may not be as fast as a calculator, but it's much faster than doing it on paper, I can tell you that. So you got 23 times 28, multiply the ones place, so you get 3 times 8, that equals 24. Okay, so put a 4 here, carry over a 2. Then 2 times 8, 16, plus 6 is 22. But then you got to add the 2 carryovers, so that's a 4. Then you gotta carry over 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, so 644. That should be the answer. Let me just put that in the calculator, make sure that's correct. Yep, that works. Alright, so what I just did took probably 10 seconds, right? I mean, it's a pretty neat trick, honestly. It might seem like black magic at first, but once you got the steps down, there's only 3 steps. It actually makes a little bit of sense. So the first step is you multiply the ones place of the two numbers. So the two numbers are 23 and 28 here. Here, let me show you guys a new problem. Let's do something simple that, I mean, it isn't that difficult. Let's do 15 times 12. So, I mean, you can do this in your head without using this trick, right? Like, 15 times 10 is 150, then 15 times 2 is 30, so 150 plus 30 is 180. But let's do this using the trick, just to make sure, right? So first you multiply the ones place of the two numbers, right? So that's 5 times 2, and the product of that is 10. Okay? So this is the answer. It's going to go into this blank space. So what you do is the product of the ones place, you put down the ones place of that product as the ones place of the answer. So 0. Now you carry over the tens place of this product. And that's going to be used later. You just have to keep that in your memory, your short-term memory or whatever. So second thing is we're actually going in the opposite order of FOIL, because you're going from last to inside, out, then front. So the inside is 5 and 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, that's one product. Now we're doing the outside. We're on the second step, alright? So we're doing 1 and 2. That's 2. So in this second step, we add these two products. So that's that equals 7. But remember that we had a carryover of 1 from the product of the ones place. So that's a 1. That equals 8. Well, guess what? Here there is no we put down the 8 because the ones place of this step 2 product, that we put down as the tens place of our answer. But since this is not a 2-digit number or more, it's just a 1-digit number, there's no carryover. So now we go to the third step. Okay, multiply the two front numbers right here, right? So then add carryover. There's no carryover for the 8. So put an entire number down. So 1 times 1. That's a 1. So 180. So that's basically it for how you do it. It's let me do one more practice problem with you guys, and then I'll try to let you guys loose on one. So let's erase. No, let me keep it there. So let's do 32 times 36. Okay? So first step, multiply the ones place of the two numbers. So that's 2 and 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. Now, the blank space of the answer, we put down this 2 for the ones place of the answer. Now we carry over this 1. Now we're going to do the inside and then the outside. Okay? The two inside numbers are 2 and 3. We take the product of that, that's 6. And we take the product of the two outside numbers, 3 and 6, that's 18. So 6 and 18 added together gets 24, that's 24. But then you need to add this carryover of 1 from the step 1 product. So that's 25. Okay, now this is the step 2 product. What we do with the step 2 product is take the ones place of that product and we put it in the tens place of our answer. Okay, so put the 5 down, but we have to carry over a 2. So now for the step 3 product, we calculate it as taking these two front numbers. Okay, so 3 times 3 gets 9. Okay, but we need to add this 2 from the carryover. Okay, so that's 11 right there. 1152. Let me check my answer quickly. Yep, that worked. Alright, that was good. Okay, so I want you guys to pause quickly after I write down this practice problem. Let's do 18 times 24, okay? If y'all want to try that out, I'll let you guys pause right here, and then I'll solve it with you guys. Alright, so first things first, multiply the ones place of the two numbers. The answer goes here, right? So 8 times 4, that's 32. Because just to remind you guys, we're going from the back to the front when we're doing this FOIL. We're multiplying the last two numbers. 32, we take this 2, because it's the step 1 product, we take the ones place of the step 1 product, and put that for the ones place of our answer. Then carry over this 3. Okay, now we do the inside and the outside. So, 8 times 2, and 1 times 4. Okay, so 8 times 2 is 16, then 1 times 4 is 4. So we add these, that gets us 20, but oh, wait, we have this carryover, this 3. Okay, so that makes it 23. Okay, that's our step 2 product. We put, for the step 2 product, we take the ones place of that, and that becomes our tens place of the answer. So a 3 there, and then we carry over this 2. That's our carryover for which we'll be using in our step 3 product. So our step 3 product is the two front numbers. So 1 and 2. That is, the product of that is 2. But wait, we need to take this carryover from our step 2 product. So that's 2. 432. Okay, let me put that in the calculator. Make sure that works. Okay, yeah, we got it correct. Alright, I want to show you guys one more practice problem. This is like, we can use this for up to 3 times 3 digit numbers. But let's see, let's do it like a 53 times 96. Okay, so I'll let you guys pause here and try this one out. It's kind of a big step from 18 times 24, but steps are right here. Alright, let's try to solve this one. Alright, so 53 times 96. First, we need to solve for the step 1 product, and we do that by multiplying the ones places. That's 3 times 6, we get 18. We take the ones place of the step 1 product and put it in the ones place of our answer. It's an 8 right there. We carry over this 1, okay? Now, multiply multiply the inside to get the inside product and then the outside product. Then let's do the inside first. So 3 times 9 is 27. Okay? Then 5 times 6 is 30. Now we add these together and we get, what's that, 57, right? But remember, we have a carryover of 1 from the step 1 product, okay? So that's 58. Now, with the step 2 product, what we do is we take the ones place there, and that's the tens place for our answer. So we put an 8 in our answer, and we carry over this 5. Okay, now let's calculate our step 3 product. And that is our two first numbers multiplied together. 5 times 9. Okay? 5 times 9 is 45. But we need to add the carryover. So plus this 5 from the step 2 product equals 50. So I'm going to put 50 here, and let's check our answer. Oh, nice, it worked. Alright, before y'all go, I just want to show you one more problem. This is basically a 3 times 3. This is kind of harder, but it's not too difficult if you got once you get the steps, right? So 103 times 106. Let's see. So first you multiply the ones place of the two numbers. Okay, sorry. Let me say one thing for this. So when we're doing 3-digit by 3-digit, we're pretending this 10 and this 10 are just one number. So that's how we'll be doing a 3-digit by 3-digit. Like this 10 is basically a number just like this 1 is, or just like this 2 is. Okay? So let's start with step 1. We're trying to calculate the step 1 product. So multiply the ones place of the two numbers. 3 times 6, that gets 18, right? So we put down an 8 for the ones place of the product, and we carry over a 1. Okay? Now we calculate the step 2 product. Multiply the inside numbers 3 and 10, because this 10 is counted as one number. So that's 30, and then this 10 and this 6 for the outside numbers. Okay? 10 times 6 is 60, so plus 60 here. But remember that you got to carry over 1. So it's 30 plus 60 plus 1 for the step 2 product. And that gets 91. So for the step 2 product, the ones place of that is the tens place of the answer. Right? But we need to carry over this 9. Okay? So then we do the front numbers. So 10 times 10 is 100. But we need to add that 9 there. So we get 109. And we put that at the front of this number. Okay, let me just make sure that that's correct. Yes, it worked. Alright. So, it's just 3 steps, this process. I hope that you guys are able to understand it through my explanation. Thank you for your time.